Okay, now it's recording. Great. I'm getting used to this Sony action camera, right? So anyway, what I've got here is The Education of Millionaires. It's a new book. It's a new book to me. And I was listening to it on Audible. The Education of Millionaires basically tells people, or has a good argument for foregoing the normal course of action, going to college, and actually just studying marketing, sales, how to sell. It goes on to tell you that you're probably already good at your craft. You're already probably proficient as a plumber, or a lawyer, or an architect, a sculptor, an actor like I am, a dog walker, whatever. Chances are you're already really good at whatever it is you do. Okay, even if you're not, you're good enough at your craft right now. You can stop improving on your craft, and I need to, and many of us need to improve on our marketing skills and our sales and our ability to sell copy, or write good copy and sales copy, and sell people on the idea that our product and our service is good for them and will solve their needs and their problems. So, the book, The Education of Millionaires, it talks about how these successful entrepreneurs work their way up, learn sales, work for themselves, make millions of dollars. It's simple. It's not easy, but it's that simple. And I'm going to learn more about marketing. I'm going to sign up for some stuff. I'm going to find out some stuff. I'm going to learn some stuff. I'm going to get into sales. And then I'm going to share it with you. And so we can both keep improving, because that's what this whole channel is about, right? We just want to keep improving, keep getting to the next level. All right? I'm Brandon Weaver. Keep improving.